Oh, Karibu.
Mama Naj.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Here are your bananas.
Are they good?
Very, very good. But oh, Karibu, you are always buying bananas. Have you updated yourself? Like you updated your stomach?
Myself.
Hey.
Mama Naj.
Look at this.
My balance.
Your balance. Mama Naj to give you the balance. That is a criminal.
You can register as a voter or check.
Rukia, did you hear?
What?
Vote update is happening. If you don't register, who will vote for your honorable? Rastad.
Zara, did you send that report?
I forwarded your email this morning.
Peter, can you imagine? I just verified my voter's details online. I just verified my voter's details online, and it's as easy as sending a WhatsApp message.
Really? Online?
Yes.
Show me.
Uganda, your vote is your voice, and every voice matters. From 20th January to 10th February 2025, you can register as a voter or check to update your voter details. Visit our update center within your parish. Call 0800-200-071 or visit www.ec.or.ug today. This message is brought to you by the Electoral Commission of Uganda.
Dr. Chiza Besigye today appeared before Buganda Road Magistrate Court, but his physical outlook sent many people into whispers. Dressed in a checked shirt, a frail-looking Besigye kept glancing at people from the door without his usual demeanor and confidence. It was clear that he had lost weight. Many people at the court were shocked, and some of his supporters shed tears. Besigye and Lubega Mukaku stand accused of inciting violence in 2022. However, he remains detained at Luzira prison owing to other charges leveled against him by the General Court Martial. For days, he has been on a hunger strike, and relatives who had visited him claim that his health had deteriorated. Many people, including his lawyers, had pleaded for his release, but prison authorities said they can manage his health condition. At court, his lawyer Elias Lukwago insisted that Besigye needed to be given bail.
Any keen observer, you know how Dr. Besigye strong he is. You know him very well. To be in that kind of state, it's a matter which is really worrying to us. And it's what compelled us to invoke the provisions under the Human Rights Enforcement Act, which was enacted to address situations like this. The framers of the Constitution provided that latitude to people who are faced with egregious abuse of rights to have quick remedies. It's the reason they made that provision very flexible. Section 5 of the Human Rights Enforcement Act of 2019, which was enacted in operationalizations of Chapter 4. That act was made purposely to operationalize enforcement of rights under Chapter 4, the Bill of Rights. And the Parliament recognized there are situations where one may informally seek for remedies in exceptional circumstances like this.
Besigye was sent back to Luzira prison, but the magistrate, Winnie Nancha, said she would give a ruling this case on February 20th. Report compiled by Dennis Kato.